Hello, my name is Jimmy Tran. I am the Director of Procurement for Kavik. We are located in Canada, but today we are here in our design headquarters in Zhuhai, China. So I will show you the place and we give a tour of what we do or what we could design for you. Come on, let's come in. So here we have is the front office, very beautiful. Everything you see here we design from the receptionist table, the room, flooring, everything we design. Here is where we do product management. So our team will speak to you, our product manager will speak to you. Our designing team is here. So if you were to create custom showroom, high-end homes and hotels, we design it all here, and our pricing is also here. Everything you see here, we make and design the table. Our furniture, all here is all our design. Let's go through. This is our team right here. Management office is on this side. Okay. All right, so what we have here is our kitchen slash break room slash showroom. What we do here is a little bit different from compared to other company. Instead of have cork cabinets, this right here is stainless steel. Let me show you. Soft close, soft open. And this countertop right here is porcelain. And this is luxury refrigerator, kind of hidden inside the wall. Just press your hands against it. Door open. And also soft close. So what we have over here is different type of countertop. Earlier I said that's porcelain. Here we have is wood and then porcelain again, right? Very natural, right? So here is our pantry. Different high-end. What we design differently compared to other company is we want to have an open area, but also when the guests go away and you just want your house to look flush and clean and stylish. So when we design a showroom or we design a home for someone, we also want to make it multifunctional. Like for example, this right here, you see it act as a window, but it also acts as a 360 door. We spin, and then you go into the room. And then this is not the only one. Look at this one. So this one is a bookshelf, but it's also act as a glass designing door. So there's a doorway here. But if you pull this, it becomes a bookshelf, and of course, it's soft close on the other end, so you don't have to worry about the door slamming. So this is think of it as a two-in-one design. So it's very important when you have a high-end home and you want to have a different style. And in here is the room that you would enter if you were to have that door. And all the furniture in here, we make all the furniture in here as well. Very customized. Now we're gonna go to our showroom, our closet showroom. This is the high-end closet showroom. Let's go in. This is our design. Let me show you with this right here. So for the woman in your family, you love your wife and she can't reach the clothes. This is what's great about it. It brings it down for her, right? And once it's up, you go back up. And then as you can see right here, this is where all the makeup, the jewelry. If there is a hidden mirror in the back, press this right here. Wait, the mirror come down. Next we have is our walk-in closet. We want to design something where it's multifunctional. That's how we design. Elegant yet multifunctional. So here we have place to keep the bags. And the thing is, you see this mirror right here is a reflection glass. So this acts as a mirror and also your closet. You open this up. You keep your jewelry in here. Watches, jewelry, and also your trouser in here as well. This is our wall, designing wall, where it separates the different departments. And with this design, it also we have storage space too. drawers, and to keep files. And of course, everything is soft close, so you don't have to worry about it. So next we have the CEO office. Our company also make the panels. So if you want not just like the normal wall and you want panel, we also create the matte panel for you. We also design the door. So let's go to the CEO office. So this is our CEO office. Everything here is customized. Every furniture you see here, we design and we could make for you, okay? So in the CEO office, we also upgrade everything in here for a little more high-end luxury look. So this is center stone, import from Italy. So not every product, its material is made in China. We also able to source better material and higher quality for you. So this is center stone from Spain, I'm sorry. And this is veneer from Italy. So with this right here, we have gray glass with backlighting, veneer wood, and then also aluminum frame design, right? Very customized, and everything you see here, the bookshelf. So even the curve right here is very different from other design. Other design is like more square, this is curve. Very designed, and we could customize this for you for your CEO office or for your home office. We are in our high-end Italian kitchen. So what makes this kitchen special? This countertop is called center stone. Center stone is the high-end of porcelain, and it's a different feel, and it's feel very natural. You see right here, what's special about this is the whole back wall is light. For example, you see right here, there's no lighting. This is our aluminum door cabinets, but when you open it, it light up. That's what makes it special, right? And of course, soft close. Once it closed, the light dim. So next we have is the cabinetry. This is metallic lacquer. Open for all the accessories. And then soft close. And then of course, we can't forget the pantry. Of course, when you open, there's also backlighting as well. The product pull out. And then, of course, also soft close. I want to welcome you to our meeting room / training room. So here, training is very important for us because of quality control. We want every single one of our staff to make sure that they are trained properly to provide great customer service and also great R&D and of course, great product. So here, our client come in, our client select the type of wood, material, panels for our cabinets. And on this side, of course, you see, this is our training room. Training is very important for us. So we invest a lot into our staff because by us investing into our staff, we create a great team. And of course, a great team will support our customer. We are now in the financial department. The financial department is one of the departments where we put a lot of customization in it. So we have great reflective glass. Here, we keep all the alcohol. And the reason why is financial is very stressful. And sometimes you gotta drink some alcohol to just sign off some payments, checks, right? Everything is customized. Here is also customized bookshelf as well. Very typical, but underneath every single panel, there is LED lights. So you can see there's lighting in the back of every single bookshelf. So what we wanna do with our office is we wanna customize it, not only for ourselves, but we wanna integrate it a functional office. This is our CFO office. We want to customize our CFO office, not only good for the CFO or your CFO, but we also want to customize in a way where it's also a demo and a functional room. So here we have great reflective glass. Let's open it up. Everything we have here is soft close. So we design everything here. And of course, this table right here, our company also manufacture and sell as well. Everything in this room. Thank you very much for watching and join me in this tour of our showroom in Zhuhai. So a lot of customers ask, why work with Kavik? Simple. Number one is because we have our office in North America, we provide great communication with our client. We're able to meet up with you. And now with our factory, our designing team, our production team, and pricing team here in China, we bring the factory to your door. We will help you design your custom home. We do hotels, and we also do office and showroom if you need us to run the whole supply chain for you. And then finally, once we finish making your product, we work with great logistic company to make sure the product gets from our factory door to your construction site, to make sure that nothing is delayed and that your team is able to install everything on time. And then finally, if you need installation, Kavik also could help you with the installation for your home or your hotel room. So if you have any question or you need to reach out to us to have anything customized, designed, or produced here, please contact our team. Our information and our contact is below. Thank you very much for watching.